get drunk.
Hi, welcome back to Smart Pictures channel. Now I am showing science experiments at home. First one is density. Now I am showing the ingredients. We need some salt and 2 lemons, 2 glass of water. Now I am putting this lemon in the water. You can see the lemon is sink in the water. Now I am adding some salt and I am mixing very well. Now I am dropping this. You can see the lemon is floating on the water. In first glass, lemon has high density. In second glass, lemon has less density and water has high density, so the lemon is floating on the salt water. This is the experiment of density. Experiment. Fire needs oxygen to burn. Let me show. Here is the lighting candle. Now I am closing the candle with help of this glass. See, after some time, the candle will off. Because there is no oxygen in the glass. So fire need oxygen to burn. Thank you for watching this video. Next time I will come with more interesting videos.